Hi everyone, today I came up with a new video and this video is about how we can setting up this preload animation for micro frontend setup. So before diving into the implementation, I would like to give a small overview about what is preload. I think we all have this experience. Let's say a web page takes too long to load. Definitely we might get frustrated. So in that case, by having a preloader, we can make this frustrated situation to engage. So the preloader animation basically can be loading animation, skeleton animation. So main purpose of having a preload is it indicates our web page is process in the background until it's get fully loaded. So let's assume you haven't implemented preloader for your website. Let's say your website is content heavy or you have a lot of complex calculation under the hood, then definitely you users might see a white screen. So what will happen is definitely users might leave the site before it's get fully loaded. So to avoid those kind of situation, it's really good practice to have a preloader for your website. Cool. I think now we can go to our implementation. Let's see how we can do that. So this is the same code base I have used in the previous videos. So you can clone this project from my GitHub account and I will mention this GitHub URL in our video description as well. And you can clone this repository and up and running in your local machine, and after that you should follow my video with me in order to setting up this preloader for your microfrontend setup. The benefit of using single spark framework, actually we don't need to configure these preloaders for each and every microfrontend. We can do with only using root microfrontend itself, right, without touching any other microfrontend we have. So in our case we don't need to touch auth microfrontend and dashboard microfrontend. So how we can do that? So in order to do that, first we need to go to the root microfrontend, src, and the root config.js. So here you can see we have variable called routes and we have this construct route function, and it take one argument, and that is this microfrontend layout, right, .html file. So which means it takes this HTML template, right? But this construct routes actually takes two arguments. So let's see what is the other argument it takes in the documentation. So if we go to documentation, so here now I am in the construct routes API part, and here you can see the arguments are routes config layout data. For routes config, it takes the HTML element, right? And layout data, you can see it takes props and loaders. For in this video, we are going to use these loaders only, but maybe in the coming videos, I will explain about props as well. So in order to do that, we need to modify our config.js file. So let's go again our root config, and there we need to modify, need to make this as object, and here, and this is the loaders attribute we are going to use, loaders like this. And next one is we need to move to the microfrontend layout.html, and here you can see applications included like this. But here also we need to do a small modification. Okay, this is the application element, and the attributes will be name, loader, props, class name. For now we are going to use loader. Actually loader means we can assign a name for loaders, right? So let's see in our HTML file. So we need to loader, and I'm going to give the name as auth loader, and here also we need to have that name we have given here. And now we can have a loading element, so it's probably will be a HTML element, right? So for now, for the a quick showcase, let's have it as a loading test, right? Okay, now let's see in our browser whether it's working or not. Which means actually we should see this loading test before render our micro frontend UI. So let's see whether it's working. So our port will be localhost 9000. I think it just appeared. So let's check again here. I think you guys saw that before loading this UI, we did see our loading test. So that's the main implementation of setting of preloader. But let's add this preloader for our dashboard micro frontend, and also I would like to add some CSS animations for our loader instead of just showing just a test. So let's add another loader for our dashboard micro frontend, and here same thing we need to copy and paste, but the loader name should be different, right? For this time, for the the dashboard loader, I will give as dashboard loader, right? And in the root config, we need to give that name we have defined, and that will be a dashboard loader. And also I will give this same loading test for that one as well, and let's see whether it's working after that. Add our credential. Okay, I think it's working without any problem. As you can see, I have did some modification for my root config.js. So first one is I included spinner.svg, and this is nothing but my login icon. And also I included the index.css. I needed this because I wanted to do some cool animation for my spinner.svg. So I did rotate my spinner.svg using the keyframes, right, until our web page gets fully loaded. Next thing is I included this div element image container, and inside that I have image element including src my image, right? So those are the changes I have done for my root config.js. So now let see in our browser how it looks like. So let me refresh the web page again. I think you saw our loading animation. So let me log into the system again, because now also we should see a loading animation because we have added our animation to the dashboard micro frontend as well. Cool, I think you saw that one as well. Let me refresh again. Yeah, like this. Okay, I think we came to the end of the video, guys. So let me know if you have any question regarding this video, and make sure to put in your question in the comment section, and also make sure to subscribe, like, share my videos, and it will really helpful me to do such kind of videos. And until the next video, see you guys, bye.